Well, another video from Dynodaze. Hi, I'm Danny at Dynodaze. This is a Transit Connect in for a remap today. Now it's a 95 brake horsepower model, so we'll see what she makes. I'm not too sure what it will make. I don't know too much about the Transits, obviously being a Japanese specialist, but it's all the same science. So we shall crack on with doing a standard power run. Once the standard power run is done, we see what brake horsepower it's made. We'll do some visual health checks, etc. A little bit of diagnostics, and then get cracking reading the file off the ECU with the CMD tool. Once that's done, we shall bang that into Windows and have a browse. So yeah, here we go. Let's do a standard power run. Well, there we go, map complete, and that will certainly get him to work quicker in this van. We've got massive gains across the rev range there, and we've finished today on just shy of 130 brake and 235 foot-pound of torque. Like I say, big gains. It's going to make a big difference, especially when fully laden, off to his first job of the morning. Well, there we go, another one done. Dynodaze mapping.